Creating something out of nothing is ingenious, whereas creating something out of something is smart. So in order to rule this world, we should be indigenously smart. By saying this wonderful quotation, I want to greet a very delightful afternoon to everyone. My name is Riya Bhadra and I am from BCom 6M, and today I am here to give a presentation on BI architecture, basically business intelligence architecture. So first of all, before we begin with the BI, we should know what is a BI. BI simply stands for business intelligence, and it is a set of the mathematical models as well as the analysis methodology based on which we exploit the data that is being provided and get that data converted into information and knowledge, and which are being used for the decision making process. This business intelligence is being very useful for any organization and something which is very from organization to organization. This business intelligence is not just helpful for an executive who is supposed to make a decision, rather also helpful for the knowledge workers who are working on automation level, like us who is working on EPS or ERP, on such being found out to be helpful. Since my topic is business intelligence architecture, so first of all, what is BI architecture? BI architecture simply means a blueprint of whatever the BI that we are going to construct. BI is a software being developed by the developers, and it because of this BI architecture, it provides some sort of framework. It consists of framework of various technologies that an organization has to deploy to run the business intelligence and analytical applications. Let's move to the next, that is the BI architecture model. This model consists of 3 tiers, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Tier 1 consists of 2 things, that is operational system and external data. Operational system is it's something that consists of data which we gather through our day-to-day transaction. Suppose if I tell there is a business of like ABC business that we have, because of that ABC business, whatever day-to-day transaction that I am having on a daily basis, out of that whatever data I gather by myself would be there in the operational system. Secondly, there is external data that we gather through the external source. It could be a social media platform, or it could be like any market research, through any market research, or data being provided through any third party. As we all know that our data gets sell out, so that 2 data can be used as an external data. The second tier consists of the data warehouse. The data whatever we have gathered on the first tier gets whatever the data we have gathered or collected over there gets organizedly collected on data warehouse through the ETL tool. ETL tool stand for extract transform loads tool, and this ETL tool simply extract and transfer whatever the data that is being gathered in tier 1. And this data warehouse is also being called as a database because over here the data are being stored in a well organized manner. In the third tier, we are like whatever the data being gathered in the tier 2 being used up, like it could be used for logistic purpose, like in my model there is logistic marketing and performance evaluation. In logistic, like simply like whatever the process that from the day I have gathered my article or product with myself till the day that article reached to my final customers, whatever the process going to there would be there in the logistic marketing, as we all know that selling out of the product in a very effective mannerly. And performance evaluation, because of for such also the data that has been gathered on second tier could be used up. Now there is a question like why we should have the BI. The BI is used firstly for technology benchmark because it could be used for a data management, and it is like technologically very helpful for any organization. And there is a second thing, that is there is an improved decision making, because as I already told that whatever the data that we have simply gathered could be exploited and could be transformed into a knowledge and information which simply helps the executive, the higher level authority for their making their complex decision making process simpler. Thirdly, that I have already told that the BI architecture is none other than a blueprint, which basically tells a developer that how a BI whatever I am going to build up gonna be like. Fourth, there is a time saving. It's time saving because it's very simple, as well as like obviously it requires the knowledge, but it's still quite simple and saves the time. So scalability, it could be like this is scalable and it helps the business to grow and expand in an effective manner. There is this last point, there is improved consumer service or satisfaction. This BI is not only just help to understand not only helps to track down what the customer having the problem, but also ensure that the problem gets solved on a timely basis. That's all. Thank you.